to Market Matters. I'm Tang, today with Sulhi, Azman and Jonathan Gan. Today, Jonathan brings us Insider Asia's stock of the day, Mikro MSC Bhd. And John, I understand that this company designs and manufactures electronics products for the power distribution industry.
Correct. So actually, this is not the first time that Insider Asia has actually featured this stock. So since it was previously featured on November 5th, the share price has actually risen about 33%. So 32%, sorry. So primarily the three reasons why Insider Asia likes them is that they actually have a steady revenue growth with high double-digit margins ranging between 14 to 21%. And as we all know by now, Insider Asia actually likes companies which are debt-free and which actually hold a large amount of cash.
John, so isn't that their modus operandi, John?
You're
Debt-free,
right.
dividend, defensive stocks.
Exactly.
But it's a good strategy though, right now when it's to be defensive.
That's true. I guess investors are really looking for value right now, and this stock is really a stock of value. So as for its balance sheet, once again, it's debt-free. And the cash that it currently holds is about 9% of its total market cap. So that's actually very good. So it also gives a steady dividend payout at 1.2 cent, which gives it a net yield about 3.7%. So
now that's a very good yield. Now, John, moving from plastics as your favorite stocks, going into the semiconductor business, Micro MSC, what is your prospect of the stock? Do you like the stock?
I just managed to glance at the current ratios and the cash ratios of the company, and fundamentally, I think this company has what it takes, of course. So also, just to point out how much money they have been making, from FY 2010 to FY 2014, net profit, actually rose from 3.7 million to about 5.6 million. So it's a respectable gain, I would say. And
because the profits are actually not very big, so they're starting from a smaller base. So if the prospects are deemed good, you would actually see a bigger jump.
Correct. And of course, we see that it's also, although its sales are largely domestically based, the company does export to countries which have huge populations like Vietnam, Iran, and also India. So,
and John, I think the company is also consolidating its business, right? They are buying some land in Klang.
Correct. So the land apparently is worth about 11.7 million, and they're planning to actually consolidate all their operations under one roof on that piece of land.